fish on.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, that's a big one.
You get the job?
Oh, there he is.
Turn around, come to Papa. Come on. Shut up, Bob. Bad mood now.
Bring him on in, Russ.
That's a little pretty nice one, really.
Yeah, I gotta get a picture of this one. That's a real nice one. Here, would you hold this?
Yeah.
And I'll hold the pole for Russ. When you get him up here, Russ, I'll hold the pole for you. And you bring him in. Okay, bring him on in here. Here he comes. Right to you, Daddy.
Pretty nice size.
Oh, he's down in there. Is it deep?
Yeah.
You want to cut it?
I'll see if I can get him. Rayhan did it.
Stick your hand all the way in there.
Ooh, careful, don't burn your finger.
Oh yeah, give him a little kiss.
Ready?
Hey, just watch that pull. Ready?
There he goes.
That's fun. That's probably inside.
Don't set the back blades.
Holy moly.
Here, Ivan. Thumb in his mouth. Thumb's in his mouth. That too? Come on.
Okay.
There he goes.
Oh, that was...
Woohoo!
Okay, yeah, that's fun.
Oh, he's a little guy. You can let him go.
You don't want a picture?
No. I got a cool picture of one already.
Turn you loose. Yep. There you go, Ivan. Lift up, reel down. Lift up.
Oh! Oh, it's moving. Oh, no, don't run away on me. Damn!
Oh, yeah. Big.
Oh wow. There he
It
is.
is big. Pull it high. Oh,
Oh.
come on.
Keep him. Keep him coming.
Oh,
Keep him
damn.
coming.
Yeah, he ain't coming in the boat. Here, come up here.
Get in there, boy.
Don't worry, you're not gonna break.
Bring him around this side, Casey.
Yep, I'm trying. There he is. Come here, you son of a bitch.
That's as far as you're gonna reel, so just back up.
That's only a place, just a little guy. What are you gonna do when you catch an 8-footer?
Yeah, no shit, right?
What am I gonna do? You can bring that in aboard, Russ.
You want me to give you some slack, Russ? Or?
Yeah, give him some slack. Some more slack. Okay.
Got him.
He's coming aboard right now. Okay.
the backbone on these fish is sharp as
Yeah,
shit.
it'll
So
cut the fuck out of you.
Really?
yeah.
Might be a little more than you want, huh, Russ? Maybe you might be 5 foot. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 5 foot
What do
definitely.
you think? Is that worth the picture?
That's a 5 foot definitely.
All right, Casey, come here.
Let's throw that leg there around the water.
Tip it over. Tip it. Grab this fish right here, like this.
Kill him. We'll shoot.
Okay, hold it, hold it.
Stand next to him, Ivan. Get it.
Okay, give him some slack.
Wow, that thing's huge.
You got a hold of the sinker yet?
I'm trying to get a hold of it. You want somebody to measure it?
All right, we're okay. He's over 6.
Outbound, you got it.
Once you get a hold of the sinker, you're fine. The hook's too deep, you just cut it off.
Now he's right there on the corner of the Ivan, you want a picture next to him?
Just lay the pole down.
Yeah, just lay it down. Come back. You want to come back here and get a picture? Reach over the edge. Russ can move down a little bit or whatever.
Get my fucking arm in it. There you go.
That thing is huge.
Get it? Gotta get him upside down.
Woo.
There you go. Ready?
Yeah. Woo. Here, Ivan. Grab onto his gills.
Okay.
Yep. One in each hand. One in each hand.
Dig your fingers
Dig
in.
way in. Way in.
Right down the side. Here's a dandy.
Come on, now over here.
That's a dandy. Around the engine. Just stick it right in the water and go right around the engine. No, just.
Oh man.
Then give it back to him. You lose it?
No. I had to give him some slack to get underneath the boat.
Come up here.
Let him walk with it. Let him walk. Go walk with it. Ivan.
Oh no.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, he's back out.
Oh.
That's good. Get away from the boat. Son of a bitch.
Man, that pole is bent over. That's a pretty good sized
Have you seen
fish.
this one yet?
No.
I don't think we've seen it yet. Haven't seen it yet, no.
It's 100 and.
No, it's not 100.
Somebody hit the button. There he is.
He's not
Very big.
5 foot.
Woo! Little 5-footer.
Cool you off a little
If you held that pole above the reel when you were reeling,
bit. Watch your foot there, Russ. There's a pole right there.
Oh, that's so tough. It's in here, bro.
that's far enough.
Okay, bring him on over to Russ.
You got to reel that up. Pretty good size.
That one is a fighter.
You want him?
Yeah, we want the pick. Yeah. Okay, now I want to come on the sunlight behind me.
You want him, Ivan?
Yes, Ivan, hold him up there.
Hurry up. Ivan!
Got him?
Don't bring that son of a bitch in the boat. Okay. Jesus Christ. Right alongside the boat here. Come on. Walk backwards now. Towards the middle of the boat. Right there. He's right there.
Is it a big one? Yep.
Slack, Al. Give me
Slack. Give it slack. Right there.
Oh, nice. Oh,
That's a big one. Damn.
Right on.
Video or pics?
Damn.
Pull back, reel up. Pull back, reel up.
Ah. Oh damn, I can't do this.
You can do that.
My arms are sore. Here. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this thing.
What are you doing holding the pole now?
I can't.
You gotta unhook him yourself too then. Get over here next to the side.
Oh. More like a cement.
10 feet.
There he is.
Oh, wow, he's nice size.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Woo. Do we have to bring it in the boat?
Come
Bring
with
him
me,
up,
Evan.
Russ. I want to get a picture with you and Ivan together.
Oh,
It was a joint effort.
Yeah, she
Really, Al?
is sore. Too sore.
Watch that hook. Watch that hook.
Oh,
Oh, no.
got away.
That's okay.